Hi, this is Linda with Traveling Flamingo. Aron loves Italian restaurants. We had tried Giovanni's table when sailing on the Allure of the Seas. I was not interested in going back, but Aron convinced me as we were going on the Odyssey of the Seas, and Royal Caribbean has updated it to Giovanni's Italian Kitchen. I was a little skeptical at first, but they won me over. Check out our review so you know if this restaurant is one you should spend your time and money at. All that and more coming right up. Let's get started with the atmosphere, which I think got a serious upgrade. The restaurant is now split into two sections, the dining area and a wine bar. In the older Giovanni's table, there were some nice murals on the wall and some other bits of decor to bring in the Italian theming. With the new Giovanni's Italian Kitchen, they have a classic modern Italian restaurant with tiled floor, classic wood chairs, red and white napkins, and brick walls. As you move from the restaurant to the wine bar, you have some more tables and chairs, but also comfortable seating to sit back and relax. I think the restaurant looks great and is very welcoming. Another aspect of the restaurant that was a great addition is the open kitchen. I enjoyed watching the pizzas and breads baking in the pizza oven. You can literally see them sizzling in there. In terms of theming, I really enjoyed the casual atmosphere and the details they've added to make an Italian vibe. The theming ties in great to the location. On the Odyssey of the Seas, it's on the 5th deck near the aft. If you're walking from the Royal Esplanade, you make your way back past the Bionic Bar and Wonderland and past the elevators. The open concept with the large chandelier in the middle is beautiful. Giovanni's Italian Kitchen complements this area well and looks amazing as you walk by. The modern classic look ties in well with the ship. The wine bar is a great place to stop and get a drink or snack if you're waiting for a show in 270. Even though it's on the 5th deck and there are windows, you don't have much of a view as the lifeboats are just outside. Before we get into the menu and price, I just wanted to pop in here to thank everyone who has liked and subscribed to our channel and say we have tons of cruising videos, ship tours, an Odyssey of the Seas room tour, and the dining package explained. So when this video is done, be sure to check out our channel. Thank you. On to the best part, the menu and food. The menu has lots of American Italian favorites. I'm going to try my best to pronounce the dishes properly, but feel free to correct my pronunciation in the comments below. The meal starts with the antipasti and insalate. Then there are the petite principals, a pizza, and dessert. When looking at the menu, keep an eye out for the heart. Those are Nona's favorites. It is set up as a 3-course menu, but often in specialty restaurants you can get as many apps and desserts as you want. Something new to the menu are all the different types of pizzas that are made in the massive pizza oven. A few of the items you can expect are calamari and polenta, Italian stromboli, Uncle Alfredo's fettuccine, grilled filet mignon, lasagna classica, and meat lovers pizza. If you're traveling with little ones, there is a kids menu for those who are 12 and under. The menu is primarily pasta and pizzas. The menu did have some good options, and hand-tossed pizzas were a great addition. So I do think they did a nice job with the menu. However, we have seen some complaints that there's too much pizza on the menu, so you can decide. So on to what we had. The meal starts with garlic knots, and these were really nice. I had a hard time deciding what I wanted, so I really followed Nona's favorites with the heart on the menu. But I also wanted the soup, so I did get 2 appetizers. I got Nona's soup and the meatball gigante. The soup was really nice with some good flavor, but I am so glad I got the meatball. It was gigantic with a surprise cheese in the middle. I am all for a surprise cheese. For the main, I had the steak muffaletta. I had never had that before, but with the heart and our server had suggested it, so I went for it and it did not disappoint. I'm so glad that I tried something new, and I would definitely get that again. To start, Aron had the assorted meat and cheese platter. This was definitely large enough we could have shared it. It was definitely better than ones that you get in the main dining room. Aron's favorite type of pizza is margherita, so when we saw that on the menu, I knew that's what he was going to get, and I was right. He said the crust was great, but it was a little bit more of a cheese pizza than a margherita. If you have room left, there are some nice dessert options. We had the Go Bananas and the cannoli, and you can't go wrong with bananas and chocolate. In terms of price and value, it costs about $45 US per person. This is similar to Chops Wonderland and 150 Central Park. The new menu and theming were great. The quality and quantity of the food was terrific. We definitely did not leave hungry. We also had the best server. Shout out to Marlon. He walked us through the menu, made suggestions, checked in on us. He really helped make our meal special, and it was actually the best one we had on the cruise. When it comes to specialty restaurants, each has its own theme, menu, and vibe. When choosing which one you want to go with will depend on the type of meal and experience you want. Also, if you want to try some of the food but not pay the full sit-down price menu, check out the wine bar. There is a small menu with some of their favorites there. Some tips and overall thoughts. We recommend booking before you go on your cruise. Often you can get a small discount by booking ahead of time. And also, it's not a large restaurant, so it can book up. In terms of dress code, it is casual on the website. We found most men had a polo or collared shirt on. Often for the specialty restaurants, it's a nice reason to dress up a little bit, but it's not required. So overall, I have to say, Aron was right about wanting to check out the updated Giovanni's Italian Kitchen. And I really enjoyed the atmosphere and our meal. What do you think of the new menu? What is your favorite Royal Caribbean restaurant? Are there any other reviews you want us to do? Let us know in the comments below. We love being part of this community and hearing about your experiences as well. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. We really appreciate it, and happy travels.